I look like a Patrick from SpongeBob. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So I'm thinking of doing like a soft pink look or something like that, and this time I'm going to be using the Candy Peaches by Jacob and Ellie. This one right here, and I got this eyeshadow palette in Amazon last year and I really like it, and this is the color Story. It's super pretty and I just love using this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start off by applying some eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to apply this Ulta Beauty eyeshadow primer that I got in my advent calendar. So I'm going to be doing this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I already primed my eyes. Now I'm going to set my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to set it with this taffy shade right here. It's like a tan color, skin color type of thing. Okay, now I'm going into the shade Bubblegum, this light pink right here, and I'm going to put it all over my crease. You could barely see it. Okay, now I'm going to go into the shade Gumbo, this one right here. And I think I'm almost about to hit pan. But anyways, I'm going to put this shade all over my lid. Okay, now with that same shade, I'm just going to try to darken the outer V. Okay, now I'm going back to that bubblegum shade and I'm going to try to blend the edges. And I'm sorry my face looks greasy. It's hot, but it's cold. I don't know. It's weird, you guys. Okay, I think I need to add more of that gumball shade on this eye. Okay, now I'm going into the shade Jawbreaker. This one right here, it's like a shimmery pink and it's almost the same color that I put all over my lid, but it has shimmers. And I'm going to put it like almost on the half of my eye, but like closer to my outer V. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's like the glitter is very faint. I don't know. Hopefully you guys can see it. But if not, I'm sorry. Okay, now I'm going into the shade Jelly. This one right here. It's a pink, but it doesn't have shimmer, but it kind of shines. I don't know. It's weird. And I'm going to put it on the center of my eye. You can't really see the differences on the shadows, but if you look really close, you could. Now I'm going to apply this shimmer right here, Salt Water. This one right here on the rest of whatever's left on my eyelid. So I forgot to put glitter primer, so I'm going to put some NYX primer over that. Okay, I'm going back into the Jelly shade and apply it like almost over so they could blend in together, the pink and the shimmers. Now I'm just gonna blend out any hard edges. Okay, now I'm going to add glitter primer on the other side. Okay, now I'm going back to that Jelly shade, the like brighter pink that hardly shows, and I'm going to put it on my under my lash line. Now I'm going to put salt water over it, like that shimmery yellow greenish shade. Okay, now for my inner corner, I'm going to get a mixture of salt water and mint. These two shades right here. Okay, now I'm going to put eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara and I blotted my face and it's getting a little dry now. I don't know what's wrong with my face. But anyways, this is the final look. What do you guys think? I really like how this turned out, super pretty, and I think this is a super pretty look for Valentine's Day. The lipstick that I'm wearing right now is this one right here by Lancome Nude 5 Rouge Sensation. This is what it looks like. It's a really pretty nude shade. But anyways, I wanted to try it out with this red lipstick that I got from Bare Minerals. With this red lipstick, I want to see how it would look because I'm like really bad at matching eyeshadows with red lipstick, so that's why I want to see if this look matches a red lip. So I'm going to wipe this off and I'm not going to put any lip liner. I'm just going to put the lipstick on. Okay, so this is what it looks like with a red lipstick. But what do you guys think? Do you guys think it matches or no? What do you prefer, the nude lipstick or the red lipstick with this look? And what do you prefer, stamp or no stamp? Because I'm about to apply it right now. Oh dear. I think I pressed too hard because the circle like transferred. I don't know if you guys can see. You can see the circle there. Here, I'm gonna try to take it off. Oh my gosh, I made a mess. Okay, I'm not gonna touch it no more. Okay, whatever. I ruined it. But anyways, this is the final look. It looks like my heart got punched in the eye. Okay, now I want to see if this eye look will match with this Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the shade 818. This one right here. This is the one that I got in my mystery box. But anyways, I want to see if it's going to match. So the Bare Minerals red lipstick left my lips tinted. And I like it. Alright, now I'm going to try the Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. Whoa. Okay, you guys, this is crazy. I will not wear this as a lipstick. I look like I ate Patrick from SpongeBob. Look at this. Oh my. And it's like patchy. Oh my gosh, I do not like this. And I did shake it, so I don't know why it's patchy. And it feels sticky. I don't like it. So I will never wear this as a lipstick. Like, this is so bright. And I did exfoliate my lips this morning, so it shouldn't be patchy. I'm not a big fan of this. I mean, it doesn't feel sticky with my finger, but it feels sticky when I put my lips together. Look at that. Yeah, this is a big no-no, and it does not match. It doesn't match me. I feel like, I don't know, it's weird.
Oh dear, it is hard to take off. I'm scared.
I'm ripping my lips off. This is hard to remove, you guys. It's like glue on my lips. Anyways, let me know which lip shade you guys like the best. If the nude or the red. Well, my lips hurt now. So I'm just going to leave on the nude lipstick. But anyways, that is all for today. If you guys haven't watched my Red Valentine's Day look, I will link it up here so you guys could go watch it. And well, that is all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys. Tell me that you